Hello there. Hello.
Ah,
Nice to meet you. Uh,
nice to meet you too.
my name is Colin from England. What is your name?
I am Sultan from Pakistan.
Oh, right. Are you in the capital? Is that Karachi or maybe the old capital? I'm
Yes,
sure.
I am from Karachi, but it's not a capital.
Oh,
It,
right.
it used to be a capital.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's right. Your capital now. Let me think. I forgot what it is. Your capital.
yeah, it's Islamabad.
Oh, right, Islamabad. Right. So, why did they change it? Do you know? From Karachi to Islamabad?
I'm not sure about it. Maybe some political issues. That's why.
Right. And so, in your city, do you need English often? Do you need it in your job or studies?
Yes, English
Mm.
is very important, although it's our one of the uh, official languages, but
Mm.
not everyone can speak it.
Yeah. So, what kind of work do you do?
I teach. I'm a teacher.
Are you English teacher?
Yes, you
Oh,
have guessed
right.
it right. I am in Saudi Arabia and I teach in Saudi Arabia. And I have been here for the last 3 years.
Oh, I see. So, are you in the capital, Riyadh?
No, I'm not in Riyadh. I am in the eastern province, that is Al Khubar.
Right. And what do you think to life in Saudi Arabia? Are you enjoying it there?
Yeah, I
Yes.
love being in Saudi Arabia. The
Yeah.
life over here is very relaxed and calm.
Mm. Yeah. I was thinking about doing the same thing actually. Some people got some friends in Riyadh, and they were saying that there are many teaching opportunities. To teach English there, and the lifestyle is very good. So maybe I might take a look into that this year when I get time. So do you ever get chance to go back to Pakistan?
Uh, I visited Pakistan in January 2020.
Mm.
Uh,
So long
yes,
time ago, two
yes,
years.
yeah, almost 2 years.
Mm.
And since then, I haven't been able to visit
Mm.
again.
Mm. Yeah. You. What do you do then to help you with your English? You've got Cambly, but have you got any other ways to
Yeah,
practice?
yes, apart from practicing on Cambly, I usually watch movies
Mm.
and try to listen different conversation on YouTube as
Mm. Yeah. Do you listen to the BBC at all?
well. I'm sorry, pardon?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you listen to the BBC?
BBC.
Yeah,
Ah,
from the
no,
UK, England.
sometimes,
Mm.
but I usually spend time on watching movies and sometimes I read books.
Mm. Yeah. Reading a book is good to learn, new vocabulary,
Right.
to learn new words. So that's how I used to read and read and read because I enjoy reading, but not
Great.
so much now, not so much now. But it's a good way to learn. And then, movies good for pronunciation. So, what kind of movies do you like to watch? Is it action
Uh,
or?
yeah, so usually it depends on my mood. Uh,
Mm,
I like different genres like horror movies, sci-fi
mm,
movies, action movies,
mm,
thriller, suspense.
mm.
These are
So,
my favorite genres.
yeah. What about normal TV? Is there any favorite TV series you like to watch?
Um, Recently, I haven't watched any TV series, but I used
Mm.
to watch some TV series like Fringe. I'm not
Oh,
sure.
Friends. Yeah, Friends from
Yeah,
comedy.
Friends.
That's like a comedy. Yeah.
yeah, Friends, as well as there was a TV series called Fringe.
Fringe. Oh yes, yes, I know it. Yeah. So
So,
getting
uh,
mixed up with Friends and Fringe.
right.
Yeah, yeah. Fringe. I've not watched it, but I've seen it advertised.
Mm.
So what's that about then? Fringe. What's the story about that?
So basically, it was about multiverse. The TV series is a sci-fi,
Oh
and
right, science
yeah,
fiction
so,
then. Hmm.
yeah, and there were two like parallel worlds,
Oh,
and
I see. Yeah.
how do they transport into another world? That
Hmm.
was the whole
Yeah.
gist of the movie.
Yeah. There's another TV series similar to that called Sliders. Sliders.
Slider.
Yeah.
No, I haven't heard of it.
Yeah. They go into a parallel universe as well. Like
When was it aired on TV?
oh, it's an old TV series, but they do show it here. It is
Is it
on
on
T.
Netflix?
I think you can get it on Netflix. Yes, I think you can
Oh,
do. Yeah. Uh,
Sliders, right?
Slider. Yeah, yeah. I'll write it down for you. That one. And there's another good one called Merlin. There's
Merlin.
another one. That's the BBC. BBC. Um,
Merlin.
you know, you, you might get that on Netflix too. It used to be on Netflix, but it could be took off now. I'm not too sure, but
Right. So Merlin is also about multiverse.
Merlin is about a legend of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table.
Ah,
Um,
okay.
uh, so,
I got
uh,
it.
so Merlin is about 45 minutes long each episode, and there's about
Ah,
say about 5 or 6 seasons of 12
five of
episodes. Yeah, of
ah,
12 episodes each. But it's got a lot of you know it's funny at times, it's serious, and there's magic in it, and action, and a good
great.
story too, a good
That
story.
that's
Mm,
pretty cool. Thanks
yeah,
for sharing it with me.
yeah, yeah, it's a good one to watch. So in your place there then, what kind of things do you like to do in your free time? Do you like cooking or sport, any sports and in
I
Saudi?
used to I used to cook when I was
Mm,
alone. Now, fortunately, I'm with my family, so I don't
mm,
need to cook.
mm,
Uh, as far as spare time activities are concerned, so as I told you that I often watch movies
mm.
whenever I have free time, or sometimes I also read books.
Oh, right, reading books as well. Yeah, very good. So you don't do any more cooking? No
No,
more cooking. No. So, what about the Saudi Arabian food? Do you eat that? Like their national dish, kabsa. You like kabsa?
yes, I love it, and it's
Yeah.
very similar to our Pakistani dish, which is called
Biryani.
biryani. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly.
I've made that actually. Biryani and korma and
Ah,
Boona and jalfrezi.
wow, wow.
Jalfrezi as well. That's one of my interests. Cooking as well. So, um,
So how did you know about these Pakistani cuisine?
well, I like international meals. And I like to try them. So I had a cookbook.
Hmm.
And it had all these meals in, so I thought I would make them one after the other.
Wow.
One week I make the jalfrezi, then the next week I would make the boona or
Mm.
biryani, and
So are you
you
a
know,
good cook?
sometimes, but I kind of, you know, um, I often make a meal that I probably can't make again because I put things in it that I've got in the fridge.
Randomly?
Yeah, random. Yeah, what I've got,
Ah,
so. Um,
right,
So the next
right.
time I make it, the ingredients might change. So, so
Ah,
I put in
okay.
whatever, but
All right. So
uh,
do you live by yourself?
I am at the moment, yes. But my partner is in Qatar.
Qatar.
Yeah, working in Qatar. So she's hoping to get a visa to come here. Um, so we are waiting. We are waiting for the answer. We've applied for the
Oh,
visa.
okay. So you
So
you are waiting for the acceptance.
yeah.
Oh, right. So,
We
sorry
you
for
know
interrupting you.
yeah,
Sorry
no,
for
no,
interrupting.
that's okay.
You,
You
your
ask
part,
your question.
your partner is also teaching in Qatar.
Yeah, that's what she's doing at the moment. But uh, she couldn't come back before because Qatar was in the red list
Ah,
because of
right.
COVID. But now it's been took off, so
Okay.
hopefully she can, come over here. But in Saudi Arabia, is it under control, the COVID, where you are?
Uh, yes, it seems to be under control,
Mm,
and everything was going very uh, good
mm,
until this Omicron came.
mm,
So even now, the cases have like increased a little bit,
mm,
but most of the people over here are vaccinated and
mm,
they actually abide by the law. So it's
mm,
easy to control people in Saudi Arabia. So maybe
mm,
that's why the things are still under control.
mm. Yeah. So how does it affect your teaching? Do you have to teach online or can you go to the school?
So the vaccinated students are coming to school, even we are going to school,
Mm.
but the children, they are not allowed to come.
I see. So some lessons online then. So,
Yeah,
but
so I'm
your
getting online class.
your English is very good. So keep practicing and remember to watch those TV series.
Yeah,
They will
thanks for sharing.
help